Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to share with you my favorite Las Vegas budget travel hack. Traveling from Reid International Airport to the Las Vegas Strip via The Deuce. With surge pricing and gratuities, a rideshare or taxi can cost up to $40 or more. But traveling from the airport to the Strip via The Deuce is only $6. I just love saving money and traveling smarter, and that's why I'm so excited to talk about today's sponsor. Saving money on transportation is cool, but buying $5 plastic water bottles at the hotel gift shop is not. And Las Vegas tap water is probably safe to drink, but it tastes like swimming pool water. So to stay hydrated without the pool water taste or the plastic waste, I've been using today's partner, Epic Water Filters. My OG Nalgene water bottle comes with 2 made in the USA filters. That removes 99.99% of contaminants like lead, PFAS, and chlorine. Epic is unique because they have 2 filters. I use the blue Every Tap filter for the airport and hotel, but let's say if I'm heading out to Red Rock Canyon for a hike, I can swap the Everywhere filter, which handles outdoor water sources. And when at home, I use the Epic Water Filters Pure Pitcher. Stop overpaying for bottled water and start drinking the cleanest water possible. Check out Epic Water Filters at the link in the description box below. Use code VNM GetPure15 for 15% off your order. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Okay, the Deuce doesn't have any pickup points at the Las Vegas airport terminals. To get to the Deuce, you have to take a quick connector ride first. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in 3 easy steps. The first step is to go to the public transportation area located on level 0 at Terminal 1. Here we are starting from level 2 at Terminal 1, just past the TSA checkpoint and heading towards the ground transportation area. If your flight happens to be arriving at Terminal 3, no worries, there is a free inter-terminal shuttle that will take you from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. From level 2 you can go down to level 1, and this is the baggage claim area. Continue across the baggage claim area to the escalator that goes down to level 0. When you arrive at level 0, exit the terminal and cautiously cross the street and follow the signage to the public transportation area. Turn right here to go to the public transportation area. Continue going forward to go to the free interterminal shuttle pickup point for Terminal 3. If you'd like to know more about the free inter-terminal shuttle, check out the video I made. I'll put a link in the description box below. Okay, here is the public transportation area for Terminal 1. You can purchase tickets and fares with these TVM machines using cash or plastic. But instead, I highly recommend you download the RTC app to your phone. With the RTC app, you can securely pay your fare and get up-to-date schedule and route information. Plus, you can track departures in real time. At the public transportation area, you can catch the bus number 109, 108, or the CX Express. To connect with the Deuce, you must first board the 109 Maryland Parkway southbound to the South Strip Transit Terminal. It's a 6-minute ride. Just like the Deuce, the 109 Maryland Parkway southbound bus departs approximately every 15 minutes 24/7, depending on weather and traffic. When you arrive at the South Strip Transit Terminal, you will get off the bus at Bay number 2. Cross the terminal from Bay 2 to Bay 13 to board the Deuce. The South Strip Transit Terminal is a major transportation hub for the RTC buses and Amtrak and Greyhound. The double-decker Deuce bus departs Bay 13 approximately every 15 minutes. From the South Strip Transit Terminal, the Deuce provides service to the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, all points of interest along the fabulous Las Vegas Strip, the Arts District, and Fremont Street. It's amazing how quickly you can get to your hotel room using this process, especially if you're staying on the south side of the Strip. Thank you so much for watching. You can show your love for this content by hitting the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes for another fabulous Las Vegas video. The center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.